If you have a single row of data with 4 cells like this for row number 1, in order to combine them into one big column, highlight the whole columns like this for row number 1 and do merge and center, and you can see it is combined to one big column for row 1. But what if you have multiple rows like this with 4 columns across like that? How do you do it? You can't do the same way. Let me show you what happens if you do the same thing. Highlight the cells like this with the rows and columns, and if you do merge and center, you get a warning saying that merging cell will only keep the upper left value. So if you click OK, you can see only the first row is preserved. The rest of them has been erased. Let me undo this. Let me show you another way to do this. Again, highlight the cells that you want to merge, and what you do is that you do a pull down menu here and then select merge across, and now you can see that every row has a combined column now.